arms up and fold. Half lift, relax. Good job, guys. Bend the right knee. So get in the mindset of an athlete. I want you to train hard, think like an athlete. Functional moves today. Let's circle the arms around. Lunge back, right side, left side. Good job. Do it again. Circle and bend. Feel warm yet? Lunge back, right, left. Perfect. Plyo cross. Step over and wider now. Wide, open. Look at how the movement's bigger and fuller. That's what a warm-up should look like. You're waking up the body. That's where I gotta work. Woo! Do it again, big. Now fan the arms up, and fold in half. Half, right, and left. Now I'm just lightly tapping my toes, running with my arms. We'll stay here, stay here. We're gonna turn, not yet though. Release, jog it out. Woo! Loving it. See, it's just enough. Like just when you're like to scream, uncle, tension, muscles squeezing as low as you can. All the way down, and we press down. All right, guys, bring it down, knees up, on your toes. Here we go, hold. Hold it a little bit longer. Come on, abs and tight, engage the core. Now press out wide to down dog, press wide. Push your wrists back towards your thighs. Hold it, hold it. Good job, come back to beast, come down on your toes, hold it. Good, weights even over front and back, left and right. Open it back up, down dog, how about wide? Push your chest towards your thighs, hold it. Good, right leg goes forward.